Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an extension that completely changed the way I generate images in Google Flow. Seriously, after using this, I don't think I can ever go back to doing everything manually. The extension is called AutoFlow, and if you're generating lots of images every day, this is going to save you a ridiculous amount of time. So let's jump right in. When you open AutoFlow, you'll see three main pages: automation, downloads, and settings. Let's start with automation because this is where the magic happens. Normally, when you're generating images, your workflow probably looks something like this. You copy a prompt, paste it, click generate, wait for the image to finish, then repeat the exact same process over and over again. If you're only generating 3 or 4 images, that's fine. But what if you have 50 prompts or 100? Now you're spending more time waiting than actually creating. That's exactly the problem AutoFlow solves. Instead of manually generating one prompt at a time, you simply prepare all of your prompts in advance. Once everything is ready, click start and AutoFlow will process them automatically. No more babysitting the browser, no more clicking the same buttons over and over again. While AutoFlow is working, you can grab a coffee, reply to emails, edit another project, or just step away from your computer for a while. When you come back, your images are already waiting for you. That's probably my favorite part. Instead of wasting time waiting, your computer is doing the work while you stay productive. Now let's take a look at the settings page. This gives you full control over how AutoFlow works. For example, you can choose your download folder, adjust processing delays, and configure other options depending on your workflow. The delay settings are especially useful because every computer and internet connection is different. You can fine-tune everything to make the automation run as smoothly as possible. Once you've configured it, you usually don't have to touch it again. Just launch AutoFlow and let it do its thing. Now, here's another feature that I absolutely love: the Download Manager. Let's be honest, generating images is only half the job. Downloading them can be just as annoying. Normally, you'd have to open every image, click download, choose a folder, then repeat that process dozens of times. It doesn't sound like much, but after 30 or 40 images, it becomes incredibly repetitive. AutoFlow fixes that. Every generated image is automatically collected inside the Downloads page. Everything is organized in one place. From here, you can select only the images you want to download, or download everything at once. You can also choose exactly where you want the files to be saved. Even better, you can manage your media directly from Google Flow without constantly switching between pages. It's cleaner, it's faster, and it makes the entire workflow feel effortless. What I really like about AutoFlow isn't just that it's faster, it's that it eliminates all the repetitive tasks that nobody enjoys doing. No more waiting, no more endless clicking, no more downloading images one by one. Instead, you can focus on what actually matters, creating better prompts, experimenting with ideas, and producing more content. The extension takes care of the boring stuff, and honestly, that's what automation should be all about. The more images you generate every day, the more valuable this extension becomes. Whether you're a designer, AI artist, content creator, or just someone experimenting with Google Flow, AutoFlow helps you get more done with less effort. So that's a quick look at AutoFlow. If you've been looking for a way to speed up your image generation, workflow, and automate all the repetitive steps, I definitely recommend giving it a try. I think once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it.